I'm going to show you exactly how to create a fully customized logo using Canva and AI with a simple step-by-step method that helps you design fast and get professional-looking results, even if you're a complete beginner. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, let's find your base logo design. Head over to your Canva account and on the homepage search bar, type in the style of logo you want to create and add the word logo. For example, you can type playful logo, minimalist logo, or modern logo, then hit enter. Canva will show you a bunch of logo templates you can start from. Choose the one you like and click customize this template. Once the logo opens, take a screenshot of the entire logo. If you're using a laptop or PC, you can do this by pressing Windows plus Shift plus S and selecting the logo area. After that, head over to Gemini and activate Nano Banana. Upload the screenshot and add a prompt telling it to change the logo content to your own. For example, ask it to change the brand name to yours and replace the mascot or icon with a different one that fits your brand. Hit enter and wait for it to generate your new logo. When it's done, download the generated logo and go back to Canva. On the Canva homepage, click Create. Then type logo in the search bar and open a blank logo canvas. Go to Uploads and upload the logo you generated earlier. Select it. Remove the background. And now you have a clean, fully customized logo ready to use for anything. If you want to download your logo, head over to Share on the top right, click Download, and choose PNG or JPG if you want it as an image. You can also download it as an SVG if you want a fully transparent, scalable logo. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find a logo template, customize it using AI, upload it back to Canva, and turn it into a professional logo in just a few steps. If you want more Canva tricks, AI design hacks, and easy logo and branding tutorials, hit like and comment more Canva tips, and I'll share my best ones with you. And don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.